Hey guys, I just wanted to take a minute to talk about the car and what's been going on with it and what's been keeping me from uploading more videos. So when I got the car back from the shop I sent it to get tuning done and some other stuff, I was pretty satisfied. It made good power, and then I took it out for the first pull clip. So I felt like it was pretty lazy on that pull, and then later on it didn't want to start, and I didn't know why. And then I found this. Apparently, the car was dumping a ton of fuel. Almost every single spark plug was completely fouled out, and I had a ton of fuel in the oil. So at this point, I figured I had a stuck injector, so I decided to swap out the injectors that I had, which were Deca 60s, for a better set of FIC injectors that flowed the same rate. So after putting in the new injectors, changing the plugs, putting new oil in it, it was time to take it back out and do another test, which was the clip I posted the other day. Well, the car definitely felt a lot better, but there were still problems. Service engine soon light is flashing, as you can see, and the gauges are way off. So the car still has a bunch of bugs that need to be worked out. I'm going to have to spend some more money, which is kind of tough for me. I'm just an average Joe, and I'm working on two cars right now. I still have the LT1 Camaro that I'm doing. So trying to split money between two cars when you're an average Joe guy, I'm sure some of you know, is pretty tough. I did get a better camera, so I'm going to re-record the exhaust clip for the 96 SS because I know it was just way too loud for the old camera I was using. So stay tuned for a better quality upload of that, and I'll try to keep you guys posted as much as I can on Violent Violet and what's going on with that. But for right now, that's the update I have for you, and I just want to say thanks to everyone who's been watching my videos and everyone who's liked and shared and subscribed. It really means a lot. Thanks, guys.